Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall 1Password app and remove browser helper step by step clearly. To uninstall the 1Password app from your device, start by closing the application if it is currently running. On a Mac, open the Applications folder. Locate the 1Password app within the folder. Click and drag the 1Password icon to the trash. Alternatively, right-click on the app and select Move to Trash. Next, empty the trash to permanently delete the application. If you're using a Windows PC, open the Control Panel. Select Programs and Features to see the list of installed applications. Find 1Password in the list and click on it. Then, click the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Now, you need to remove the browser helper. For this, open your web browser. If you are using Chrome, click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select More Tools and then Extensions. Locate the 1Password extension and click Remove. If you are select Add-ons from the menu. Find the 1Password extension in the list and click Remove. For Safari, go to Safari in the menu bar and select Preferences. Navigate to the Find the 1Password extension and click Uninstall. Once you have removed the extension, restart your browser. This will ensure that all components of 1Password are completely removed from your system. You have successfully uninstalled the 1Password app and removed its browser helper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.